Hello everyone, today we are here to help you which option for your career you should choose after 10th or 12th.
This video has been made after seeing the scenario in surrounding. There are a lot of students who are just taking the admission in any of the college but are not going regular, and in meantime they are preparing for some of the competition exam. But we have some of the concern that if you are not getting selected in any kind of government exam, you should have a degree from qualified university or college so that you can be later on pursue any kind of private job with good income.
And sometimes we think there are less options for any kind of subject we choose, but there are multiple options which we don't know, and today we are here to help you. Not only a single option you can build your career, but there are multiple options you can think about and have a bright future in that field. First of all, I would like to tell that is engineering. Every science student has a big dream about engineering, and I think it is the best option for every science student because it gives a lot of option to you. You can do by IIT, and there are many also private colleges which also provide a good degree, and you can have a good placement also. But beside that, you can have another field like aviation, where if you love flying, you can become a pilot, and also as merchant navy you can build a great career in, and also as a architecture where you can go by IIT, and there are different ways by that you can also clear your architecture and have degree, diploma and certificate and many other things. By that you can complete your architecture.
There are more options including, but ethical hacking is that where you do research work and have a you can pursue in cyber security. Also, the second option is forensic science. Forensic science is a department where you can have, if you are interested in crime scene investigation and all those, so forensic science can be helpful for that. The third is present scenario has been seen of the technology, AI and all those. So computer application and AI degree through mathematics you can pursue. Also, the last option, that is defense, not the least, but there are multiple options other than that.
If you are number lover, then I think that research in maths will help you to become a teacher and also a professor, where you can research about algebra and also about that number and other topics which you can have research and have a bright future in this, where you can join any kind of private college as a professor and also in government colleges.
If you are a physics lover, you can go for astronomy, disaster management, cartography, meteorology, and these are some of the other fields which can be built if you are a physics lover.
If you are machine lover, you can also become a machine learning expert, and also you can become a statistician if you like maths. There are many options in private sector if you are a maths student, like MNCs you can apply, and also in banking and insurance companies. And if you are a market lover, then you can have a market researcher as a job.
If you want to do government job, there are multiple options for that, like Miniratna and Navratna companies like BHEL, GAIL and all those, you can apply for that. Also PSUs, banking and finance, DRDO, ISRO, these are very good options for you. Then Indian Railways and metros, meteorologist you can become, income tax developer you can become, and multiple options are there.
And also there are art and humanities, where you can also build a good career in this, and you can have a vocational course like mass media communication, and also you can have that designing, fashion, interior designing, IHM, event management, and graphics designer, and fashion designer and animation creator.
If you know, then that if you are not having commerce, also by having a math you can go for chartered accountant, but it requires your graduation marks. In graduation, if you are having 60% mark, then you can apply for CA.
And only not these fields which we said that are available. There are multiple fields where you can apply as your career option. But what you need to first research about your interest.
Don't waste your precious time. We will be sooner arranging a career guidance seminar in English Zone. You should join it if this video helps you.